Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve a banned Telegram account. To know how to fix or how to solve a banned Telegram account, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps. Default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Telegram. When you will see this list, we go to Telegram here, and then in this page you will click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, then you will go to manage storage, and after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.